Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Recently, many users have complained about the inactive Apple ID problem. Whenever they try to verify their Apple ID, a pop-up message, "This Apple ID is not activated" or "This person is not activated" will appear on their iPhone, or the Apple ID is grayed out. Well, don't fret, as today we are here to help you to solve this issue effortlessly. Let's get started. If Apple disables your account due to some issues, your Apple ID will automatically be locked to protect your data, and you won't be able to log in to any Apple services. Hence, this results in the Apple ID not activated message. Here are some possible reasons. Password. You entered the wrong Apple ID password multiple times. This may cause Apple to lock your account, and Apple ID is not activated. Network. There is a network problem, or Apple ID is temporarily unavailable in Apple system status. Payment. There is a problem with your payment information or your identity information. Ownership. Secondhand iPhone with an old Apple ID or Apple account unable to log out. Update. Apple's latest security update. As for us, the best way to fix your Apple ID's not active notification without password permanently is to use any unlock utility. Fix an Apple ID not active issue, just free download the latest version of any unlock to your computer via the link in the description and fix this Apple ID is not active issue by bypassing Apple ID in just in a few steps. Hit to the utility and then the pop-up dialog menu, select the Unlock Apple ID option and click on Start Now button. Please connect your iOS device to your Windows or Mac computer via USB or Type-C cable. Once your device is successfully connected, please select the Unlock Now option. After selecting Unlock Now, any unlock will unlock your Apple ID automatically. Please don't unplug your device during the unlocking process or it may cause a failure. Just wait for a while and you will see the interface of any unlock successfully deleting Apple ID. The whole process is just so simple as that. You can unlock your Apple ID in just a few minutes by following the 3 steps only. It's worth mentioning that any unlock works on all iPhone, iPad models and supports all iOS versions. No need to worry about compatibility. The best part is that any unlock can also help you to unlock other iOS locks such as iCloud activation lock, iPhone or iPad screen lock, MDM lock and many others. It can also help you to recover your Apple ID if you forget it. However, in case if you don't want to use the third-party software, the most direct option is to reset your Apple ID password. But this may not apply to second-hand iPhone if you bought it recently. For that, open the Settings app and tap on your name. Then select Password and Security menu and tap on Change Password option. Here, follow the prompts to change your password. If you haven't signed in yet, select Forgot your Apple ID or Apple account or password. Eventually, follow the instructions to complete the process. Hope that all the tips were kinda useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this review and share it with your friends on the social nets. Thanks for watching guys and see you soon. Peace.